Hello, we are showing here the smart washing machine demo application for MICROEJ that is running on NXP RW612. We're running ARM Cortex M33, and so this application is a washing machine application, so you can select your program, but you can also connect it to internet with settings, and that enables to download application dynamically. So for now here, I don't have any applications, but I will use the MICROEJ SDK 6 to locally deploy applications. The applications will allow to customize the features that the programs that can be used by the washing machine. So you can select the specific settings for your specific clothes. So here we have sportswear application. I can run it, and then I can select the program specific for your shoes, t-shirt, sportswear. I can still access the normal washing machine application with the normal programs, and I can manage my applications, uninstall them, etc.